You need to remove the background of an image, but you don't know how to use Photoshop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove image background automatically in few seconds free on Remove.bg. Hi, I'm Beulah Olarinde. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel for how-to tutorial videos like this one. These are the pictures I'd like to work on. To get started, go to www.remove.bg on your browser. You can do this on your phone or your PC. Click upload or drag the image you'd like to have the background removed. Wow, the background of the image has been removed automatically. Click the download button to download the image for your use. You can also download the mobile app on Google Play Store for Android users and start removing background of your images on the go. Do you have a video suggestion? Please post it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.